Hello friends, welcome back to Magic Maths by OPM at MalviyaOP. This problem is about a village whose population decreased by 20% due to a flood to 12,480. So 100% was the original population. Now the decreased population is will be 100% minus 20%. So the decreased population now is 80%. And this 80% population is how much? This is equal to 12,480. So we can find out what was 1% population. 1% population therefore becomes 12,480 divided by 80%. So from this we can find out what was the original 100% population. Therefore 100% population would be 12,480 divided by 80% multiplied by 100%. Now this 80 divided by 4 20 times, and this will be 25. Now this 0 cancel out this 0, and divided by 2 is 1, and this becomes 602 and 4, 624. Hence the 100% population is 624 multiplied by 25. This becomes 25 into 4 is 100. 25 into 2 is 50 plus 10 60, and 25 into 6 is 150 plus 6 156. So 15,600 was the original population of the village before the flood. Hence this is the answer here. I hope you have liked this solution. Kindly hit the like button and share this video. You are also requested to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos like this. Thank you very much.